A lovely walk out on the pier. Oh yeah. The ocean is just a little bit angry. And the rain is beating down in my damn face. As you can see, it's starting to pick up a little bit out here. I think we're forecast 12 to 14 foot waves near shore by 6 p.m. tonight. Definitely not fishing weather. Be good for surfing though. More glasses. Damn it. Holy fuck. We gotta do it. Do it for the vine. I'm in a wet t-shirt contest right now too, goddamn. I'm winning. Rain is pouring. It hurts to keep my eyes open. And we're doing this for you guys. Especially you, Hooser. This is your fucking fault. I can feel water going down the crack of my ass. The pier with dry clothes, and now I'm drenched. Oh, that little band subsided for a second. We're almost to the end. Everything is wet on me, and probably Midget too. There's our old lovely bait tank. Hopefully it will survive. And for you guys that are out here normally kingfish with us, you know how far the water is typically down below. And you can see we're not even into the bad part of the storm yet. And them waves are coming pretty close. I mean, it is almost up to the bottom of the cross members sometimes when the big waves come through. A little calm right here for a second. And you can see the ocean out in front of us. It's only going to get turned up even more. See how far we are there. Oh yeah. this high. Oh, mine are too. Soaking wet.
My cock's wet. Back of me ain't so bad.
Nah. It's just that little freaking squall that went right through the beginning.
He goes like, "Come on, motherfucker."
Crazy, yeah. That is quite possibly the hardest rain I've been faced in. Man, we already got one fish going over at once.
That's an angry one.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna be breaking over the end, dude.
I think so. Unfortunately. I'd love to have a camera out there. Like a webcam.
Yeah. Pier cam or something.
Yeah. People down playing in the water. I mean, it's not like I'm that bright anyway walking out here to the pier.
This is supposed to be getting close to high tide right now here shortly.
Oh yeah, rip tides. And
You're gonna see, I mean, look how close it's already getting to the dunes, the tide's still rising.
oh yeah, that's the
So
bad
far,
thing.
And then I think it's supposed to be high tide again
At the worst point of the storm.
at the worst point of the storm.
So yeah, right now is about high tide. And I think the seas right now are supposed to be 6 to 7 feet.
Look at that shit. It
You-
was better than this earlier.
Do you imagine if it get 12 to 14? It will be fun.
I mean, it's quite that tide. You buy Avalon pier?
What was it, Avalon or Avon?
Avon. Avalon looks just like it. There's only one nice one up there.
Yeah, Jeanette's. But they all catch fish. So that's the nice thing about them.
They might not all catch fish this year. Hey, Avon carried one hurricane away from fucking sinking the bottom of the ocean.
This concludes our broadcast for today.
Bye. Fucking Hurricane Hooser.
Hurricane Hooser, without a doubt.